Today, I will explain the correct arm and leg action in running and why it is important. But before that, let's know what is running. Running is a physical activity where a person moves quickly using coordinated arms and leg movements. It is important to have the correct arm and leg action when running because it helps you run faster, save energy, stay balanced, and avoid injuries. The correct arm action is keep your arm at 90 degrees angle. It should be swing forward and backward and keep your shoulder relaxed. The correct leg action is first lift your knee slightly forward, land on the midfoot, not on your heel, and push off the ground using your toes.